We're almost finished with this project, but I just wanted to bring up something about our dark mode. The grays included in the default theme are nice, but I would prefer to use the same grays as the ROG website. They have this really cool darker shade of gray that I think would look amazing. So let me show you how we can customize our theme to get these colors. First, let's go to the Chakra documentation. Let's go to Style System and look at the default theme. So earlier I told you that here we have different colors and each color comes in different shades, starting from 50 all the way to 900. Now, to get darker grays, we don't want to replace just one or more of these values. We should replace the entire gray palette with a new one, so all the shades of gray have a nice harmony. Now, to do that, we can use one of the tools mentioned on this page. So up here, look, we have various tools like Themira, Smart Swatch, and so on. I like Smart Swatch, so take a look. Here we can type a base color like 121212. This is the background color used on the ROG website. So once we type a color value here, then we get a color palette. Now we can click on each of these colors to copy its value and then paste it in VS Code. Now, before recording this video, I played with these numbers and came up with a reasonable palette. So let me show you what I have done. So let's go to theme.ts. Now on this line, where we extend our theme, we're going to add a new property called colors, which is an object. In this object, we add gray, which is also an object. Now in this object, we add various shades of gray, like 50, and map them to different colors. For example, for 50, I'm going to use F9, F9, F9. For 100, I'm going to use ED, ED, ED. For 200, I'm going to use D3, D3, D3. For 300, we use B3, B3, B3. For 400, we use A0, A0, A0. Let me look at my cheat sheet. For 500, we use 89, 89, 89. For 600, we use 63, 63, 63. For 700, we use 20, 20, 20. We're almost there. For 800, we use 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And for 900, we use 1, 1, 1. That's all we have to do. With that, we get the same darker shades of gray used on the ROG website. So let's make another commit and say, customize the theme to get darker grays.